Are you exhausted, carrying the heavy weight of others' emotions as if they were your own? Their stress triggers your panic, their sadness breaks your heart anew, and yet you keep giving, endlessly absorbing and running on empty. But what if this secret to reclaiming your peace isn't about shutting off your care, but about mastering the art of emotional boundaries? Imagine standing firm and centered, feeling stable enough to offer help without sacrificing your own well-being, loving deeply while breathing freely. This essay will explore how setting simple yet powerful emotional boundaries is the key to safeguarding your mental health and fostering resilience in a world that demands so much from your heart and soul. Many people today find themselves overwhelmed by the emotional burdens they carry for others. When constant caring turns into exhaustion, it's a sign that boundaries are too porous. Research shows that lack of clear emotional boundaries can lead to burnout, anxiety, and emotional depletion. Without boundaries, it's easy to take on others' pain and stress to an extent that it drains your own energy and joy. Studies indicate that individuals with weak emotional boundaries experience higher levels of stress and relationship dissatisfaction because they struggle to separate their feelings from those of the people around them. This emotional entanglement can feel like a relentless storm, where each drop of others' sadness or worry drenches your spirit. But emotional boundaries act as a protective shelter from the rain, helping you acknowledge pain with compassion without becoming soaked in it. This fine line between empathy and absorption is what makes all the difference between survival and burnout. Setting boundaries is not about shutting off or becoming cold. It's about empowerment and self-care. Healthy boundaries allow you to assert your value and protect your mental and emotional space. Boundaries mean knowing your limits and communicating them clearly. They act as mental switches that you can flip to distinguish your feelings from others' emotional waste, refusing to carry their pain as your own. Psychologists emphasize that boundaries promote emotional regulation. When boundaries are strong, people are less likely to internalize negativity or react impulsively. This emotional self-care means you become more resilient, able to respond calmly in stressful situations rather than being swept away by them. It's about controlling your emotions before others' emotions control you. Imagine the payoff of setting emotional boundaries. You can stand stable and centered, able to offer support without losing yourself. Boundaries foster mutual respect in relationships by clarifying needs and limitations, which strengthens connections and deepens trust. Instead of feeling drained or resentful, you recognize your worth and protect your peace. Boundaries cultivate a powerful sense of freedom, a freedom to love, give, and be present without sacrificing your mental health. Far from being a shield that turns you cold, boundaries make you strong. You learn to watch the rain without getting drenched, to acknowledge pain with compassion but refuse to carry it. Ultimately, emotional boundaries give you a stable foundation so you can thrive emotionally rather than just survive. For those who feel trapped by the non-stop caregiving role, know this: you are not alone in your exhaustion. Many strong, caring souls wrestle with the fear of letting go, of admitting they need help, or of being less than perfect. The journey to setting boundaries can be messy and uncomfortable. It requires surrendering the old masks of constant competence and capacity. But through this struggle emerges peace, a peace that follows the storm of emotional overload. This transformation is about learning to stop acting as an emotional trash can and starting to cherish your own mental space. Saying no or flipping that mental switch can feel radical at first, but is essential for long-term well-being. When you make space for your own needs, you empower yourself to love and help others more sustainably. Emotional boundaries are essential for mental health, preventing burnout and fostering healthier relationships. They are not selfish, they are acts of self-respect and survival in a demanding world. If you find yourself exhausted from carrying everyone else's feelings, it's time to claim your peace. Begin by recognizing your feelings as separate from those around you. Practice compassion without absorption. Flip that mental switch to refuse emotional overload. You deserve to be free to breathe deeply, to stand centered, and to love without losing yourself. Subscribe now to receive practical advice, support, and encouragement on setting emotional boundaries and nurturing your mental health. Your journey to strength, stability, and freedom begins here, a place where you learn to care for others without losing your own peace. Don't wait until you're running on empty. Take back control of your emotions today and build the resilience you deserve. Your peace is not negotiable. Let us guide you to protect it.